Welcome. In front of me is the HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings. From here scroll all the way down to System and Update, and in here you'll find Reset. Select Reset Phone. This will give you a message letting you know what it will remove. Now, the most important thing that it will remove will be things like photos, music, and user data. And if you want to keep any of that stored, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Reset Phone. It also gives you an option right here to back it up right now if you want to, though I believe this will back it up to something like the Huawei Cloud or whatever it's using. Not exactly sure. I don't think it backs it up to Google, but you might need to just check it out yourself to be absolutely certain of that. Now, I'm not planning to back up anything, so I'll just select Reset, and this will now begin the process, which will probably take about a minute to maybe 3 minutes tops to finish up, so I'll be back once it is. And as you can see, the process is now finished. Then you can set up your phone however you want. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.